Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to buy and sell on BullX. To do this, the process is really simple and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Now the first step is that you need to go to your wallet manager and add some wallet right there. Just like here, I have added my wallets and deposited some Solana in them. And once you're done that, you're good to buy and sell a token from BullX. I'll randomly select any coin right here, and on the right side this is the main interface you will see, and on the right side this is this buy option. You can type in any amount you want to buy, and here are some of the settings you might want to see before buying. Now these are the order settings, which include the priority P, MVP protection, slippage limit. You can all adjust these according to your preference, and just like that, after the settings are done, we can just click on here to make a transaction. Just showing you an example. Similarly that we can go and sell our asset that we just bought. We can type in the amount we want to sell or select the percentage. Similarly, there are order setting for sell as well. You can check these according to your preference, and once you have done that, just simply click on here to sell your asset and you're good to go. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.